In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see and cancel send friend request on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app. Once the app is loaded, tap right here to head over to menu. On an Android devices, menu button located somewhere here. Once you've opened the menu, among these shortcuts you need to find Friends. If you don't see it here, hit Add See More and then scroll down until you find Friends shortcut. Then just tap Add Friends, and then right here at the top of this list it shows me friend requests. We can hit Add See All and it will show us incoming friend requests. However, if we tap right here at these three dots, we'll be able to switch it to send requests. I'm gonna tap Add View Send Requests now and see what happened. Now it shows me all the friend requests I've sent to someone, and then I can scroll down to check all of them, and if I would like to, let's say, cancel one, I can just hit Add Cancel in that way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.